Hey beekeepers, it's your buddy Buzz. It's been frozen like a popsicle here in Michigan. So let's walk the line here and see what's going on. That hive looks okay. Frozen solid on top. Some of these hives are expansion. There's 6 expansion and 16 here. See how I close the entrances up with the tape? This is expansion hive. This one I think I'm going to put a little more tape on. Yeah, there's been bee activity because there's dead bees at the entrances, so these are expansion hives. This one needs to be retaped. And this one's leaning forward quite a bit. It's got this post right here leaning forward on it. Maybe that'll help it. That looks good. Something like a mouse was eating at that tape. That needs a retape. That's a retape. See what's behind there is mouse guard. See, you can see on this side of the mouse guard. What I've done is I've reduced the entrances with wood, and then I put a little step in there. I call that my bee gem. And then this one has a few dead bees. And then I've reduced the entrance with tape. I really like the way you do this, like that. But the tape has to stay. Maybe this hive is a problem. You know what I can do is staple that up. Yeah, I gotta run down the line with the tape and the staple gun. Take a look at the field here. And so here's the hives. No idea how many are still alive. Take care, y'all.